Well, you say DIY, I say oh my, but I've been told that these two projects we're going to show you here in the Price Chopper Kitchen are fun and easy and hard for me to mess up. Plus, I get to use power tools. All right, so lovely blogger Audrey Kuether is here with special helper Vivienne over here. Hi, Vivienne. Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning? Okay.
Be shy today.
We're gonna get a good morning out of here, I promise her. We got two great projects to start with here. Where are we starting?
Okay, let's start with the easiest one of them all,
which
are DIY ring dishes. Or, you know, like women like to keep their rings and earrings and necklaces kind of separate. You know, you might not know this, but, you know, just kind of keep them organized and looking pretty on the dresser top.
Of course.
So all I did on this one is just ordered some small miniature animals. You can get them online. You can go to a dollar store. I mean, they come just regular colors.
Oh, yeah.
And you just grab some spray paint, and the kind that covers plastic works the best usually. But do a couple coats, let them dry overnight, and then that part's done.
Boom.
And then all
That's
you do,
easy.
take some epoxy or super glue of any sort. You just... Yeah, and you can start painting that.
All right.
And so all you do is just put the glue on the feet and then just pop them on these little dishes you can get at thrift stores. You can order in bulk. These are like little melamine ones that I got in bulk, sets of 10.
This is a little plastic thing,
really
not a big
affordable.
deal. No, it looks really nice.
Yeah, go ahead and paint that. So that's easy, and then I'm going to doing those for some holiday gifts for my friends and family. So I'm already getting a head start on that.
Look at you.
Yeah.
See, us guys don't holiday shop till the 24th.
Yes, I'm aware of this.
Okay. All right, well, that looks like a fun little easy project to do. And what else do we have here to work on?
So we have a couple other things. I have these other larger animals that you can do the same exact thing to. You just do a couple, 2 to 3 coats of spray paint, and you could use them for photos. I'm kind of showing some photos from a holiday card, you know, family photos, school pictures, whatever you have. And if you're having like a fun little birthday party or dinner party, you could even write someone's name on it and use it as a place card holder.
Okay, very neat.
Just kind of a fun little thing you can do.
All right.
Yeah, so super easy. And I'm actually going to show you how to do that one. There's a couple extra steps involved in this one.
All right, well, let's work on it then.
Yes, so I'm going to let you use your drill here.
It's not my drill, just FYI. And I think we had to up the insurance policy to let me use power tools.
Probably. So really, you're just going to have a drill bit because you're just going to be wanting to do a pilot hole on the top of the animal.
So it's a very small drill bit. We're not talking like 1/4 inch or anything. So.
What I did is I had these alligator clamps that I ordered online, and I just measured kind of the thickness of those, and I matched up my bit to go with that. So all you're doing here, and I'll even trust that I can hold this down for you.
I wouldn't. Here, let me. You know what? Let me take it. I just don't want to hurt anybody but myself. So
like, you want to do it anywhere, like maybe in the center. Right,
all right. Sorry, Mr. Elephant, but I'm going to put a little hole in there.
Go right on through there.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the way. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. And they're kind of lighter plastic, so usually not too much force is needed. If you want it to be taller, you can just put the tall one in as they come. I went ahead and clipped mine down with some wire cutters just because I wanted mine to be a little shorter.
Oh yeah, so just a little shorter like this guy.
And you'll want to spray paint these as well while you're doing the animals, just so it kind of matches up. But all you're going to do is just stick this little guy down in here, kind of use a little force, but it sticks right on in. And the plastic kind of holds it together tightly. And then you'll just put your photo in, whatever you have there.
Is that a picture of Miss Vivienne here?
Yes, here's a picture of Vivienne.
Vivienne, I have a 4-year-old daughter. Her name is Ellison.
Did you know that?
So maybe next time we can have her come on and you guys can paint and do fun projects together. What do you think about that?
That would be so fun. Don't you think so, Viv?
I got a head nod, I think.
Yeah. She acknowledged you while she's painting.
That's all I ask.
Yes. And sometimes you might have to drill a little bit of a wider hole. This one,
okay.
If it needs to get a little thicker, all you got to do is just widen it out a little bit.
Well, more excuses to use power tools.
Exactly.
Better, right?
It kind of makes you feel pretty powerful, right?
You know what?
So
I've had
that guy in.
Well, I won't tell my other power tool stories. They're a little too bloody for morning TV. Just kidding.
And then all you do is just clip your photo in or your place card or whatever you decided to do.
Well, here, let's put Miss Vivienne's picture here.
Viv, look, we're going to be putting you on an elephant.
I know you're already on TV right now, but we're going to put your picture on TV while you're on TV.
That's pretty crazy.
Not many other 5-year-olds can say that.
That's true.
All right.
And there is one other quick little thing I can show. You can always do the same exact thing, spray paint your animal, and then get some faux succulents and moss and just kind of make a fun little quirky centerpiece or whatever, succulent holder. Yeah, so, and you can check out the full tutorial on the blog, ohsolovelyblog.com.
Well, I love red giraffes anyway, so that looks sharp. Well, that's some great fun, easy, simple, do-it-yourself projects. Vivienne, do you have anything else to add to the conversation? Can you at least say bye now?
Can you look up and wave?
We are too busy painting here, folks. We cannot be interrupted. Do not interrupt the artist. So Audrey, Miss Vivienne, and Beather. Oh, we didn't introduce Beather. Where did he go? This is Beather Kuether right here.
Likes to join us.
Say hi, Beather. Hi, everybody. All right, well done. Belinda, over to you.
Bill, I think we're dying from cuteness overload over here.